In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious chocolate coffee coconut baked oats. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of oats, half a cup of coffee, half a tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a tablespoon of maple syrup, chocolate chips, and walnuts. In a blender, add in the coffee, oats, chia seeds, half of the shredded coconut, milk, maple syrup, salt, baking powder, and cocoa powder, and blend until completely smooth. Pour out half of the mixture into an oven-safe bowl. Top with half of the chocolate chips, and half of the walnuts. Cover with the second half of the batter. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 22 minutes. While warm, top with the remaining chocolate chips, walnuts, and shredded coconut. Our chocolate coffee coconut oats are complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.